Hi everyone, welcome back to Rahima Ali's kitchen. Today I'm making chicken tikka with a bold barbecue twist, seasoned with barbecue spices and marinated in barbecue sauce for rich flavor. I'm also brushing on extra sauce while grilling for that perfect smoky finish. Let's get cooking.
No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. He was the hero. He was the most beloved by Allah. Muhammad, peace be upon him. To him was when the noble Quran was revealed. He called people to Islam, that's why I'm Muslim yesterday. Jannah was promised to him, but he never ever stopped thanking by praying every day in his entire life. So many years have gone since he left, but his teaching is still spreading around the world. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. He was sent to show us the way of Allah's guidance. Whoever follows, he will never stray and will never be alone. He never deceived anyone, he never hurt anyone. Never he cheated, never disappointed anyone. The best example to all the mankind. Oh yeah, he was teacher of the teachers, Muhammad. So many years have gone since he left, but his teaching is still spreading around the world. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, but it's the most followed every day. No Twitter, no Facebook, no Instagram, but it's the most